Walking around New York City these days, you will see a ton of street-level tattoo parlors with big signs advertising their shops, and even tattoo artists working right in the main windows for all to see. But it wasn't always like this. Now, when I was a kid growing up here in New York City, tattooing was illegal and they were not so easy to get. After a 1961 Hepatitis B outbreak, the health department blames tattooers and they banned the art of tattooing here in New York City. Now, most people believe that the Hepatitis B scare was just a ruse, and the real reason for banning tattooing was that they wanted to clean up the city before the 1964 World's Fair. I mean, we can't have scary tattoo people walking around during the World's Fair, right? Tattooers now had to go underground. They worked out of apartments and basements, off the beaten path, out of the view of the public eye. Now, I got one of my first tattoos from the legendary Thom Devita, and his shop was located in his apartment here on 4th Street between Avenue C and D in Alphabet City. In the 1970s and 80s, this area was incredibly dangerous. You had to travel through what felt like a war zone just to get a tattoo. You see, this was before the days of reality tattoo shows and celebrity status for tattooers. Thom Devita wasn't tattooing the rich and famous, but rather bikers and gang members from all over the 5 boroughs. And at $30 a tattoo, he certainly wasn't getting rich either. Hours of operation were from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. The early bird got the tattoo. Thom felt that the neighborhood was a lot safer and quieter in the morning hours, and that his clientele also might be a little less threatening at this time. There were no appointments necessary. You'd call him from the phone booth. He'd look out the window, suss you out, and decide whether to let you in. Tattooing would continue throughout the ban, and there were no upticks in hepatitis B, proving that the ban was just a ruse. Guys like Thom Devita and other New York City tattooers would slog it out during the illegal years and pave the way for legalization in 1997 and for future generations of tattooers in New York City. To learn more about the legendary life of Thom Devita, check out the link below.